Does anybody have any questions? That's good. Let me make a suggestion. When something like this is being talked about, it's better not to socialize. It's not better to go talk to each other and walk and stuff like that and interfere. It should be discouraged. Few minutes only, just be respectful, just listen. And also, if you have any suggestions, you can always give those suggestions so that we can address those concerns in future. Like I said, we are all learning, we are all trying our best. Be sincere to yourself. And my principle is, when you come into the masjid, turn your phone off, turn your world off, and come be a guest of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And be here and ask Him to count every minute you spend here as ibadah and worship. Okay, reading and all that, and doing nawafil and doing extra sajdas and all that, it may not mean very much. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala forgives you, He can forgive you even if you cannot even read a single word of Arabic. And you simply think of Him and pray to Him. So don't think that by reciting too much or doing too much nawafil, you are elevating yourself. Do those things. I'm not saying don't do it, but there's time and place for it. And you have plenty of time, mashallah. You can always do more. But when you are in the house of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, spend that time totally being with Him and listening and learning. Whenever you are talking, whenever you are saying something, you are not really learning anything. Whenever you are listening, this is the thing that is not in your mind already. You may get a new idea. You see here, mashallah, I see people from different parts of the world come and pray. They pray in their own way. They love to do what they have understood, and that's perfect. Whatever pleases you, whatever is right by your heart, that is the right thing for you. Do it. But if you catch up something and you learn something new and it really is appealing, adopt it. Because remember at the time of our beloved Prophet, when he gave that message and everybody was against it, Quraysh did not want a person that has not gone to school or college and has not been educated and is not rich, that person to be their leader.